Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Having trouble with your Google certified Android TV box? You're not alone. Many users encounter issues with their Android TV boxes, whether it's a lagging interface, app crashes, or connectivity problems. In this guide, we will walk you through troubleshooting steps to fix your Google certified Android TV box and get it back to smooth streaming. Step 1. Restart your device. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Begin by restarting your Android TV box. Unplug the device from the power source, wait for about a minute, and then plug it back in. This can resolve minor glitches and give your system a fresh start. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Connectivity issues are a common culprit for streaming problems. Ensure your device is connected to the internet. Go to the Settings menu, navigate to Network and Internet, and check if the Wi-Fi is connected and has a strong signal. If not, try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network or restarting your router. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Clearing cache and data can help resolve app functionality issues. To do this, go to Settings, select Apps, choose the problematic app, and tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. Note that this will reset the app, requiring you to re-enter your login information. Step 4. Update your software. Keeping your software up to date is essential for performance and security. Check for software updates by navigating to Settings, then Device Preferences, and selecting About. Choose System Update and follow the prompts to install any available update. Step 5. Reinstall problematic apps. If a specific app keeps crashing or freezing, try uninstalling and reinstalling it. Navigate to Google Play Store, search for the app, and tap on Install after uninstalling it. This ensures you have the latest version of the app without any corrupted files. Step 6. Factory reset your device. If all else fails, consider performing a factory reset as a last resort. This will erase all data, returning the device to its original settings. To do this, go to Settings, select Device Preferences, then Reset, and choose Factory Data Reset. Make sure to back up any important data before proceeding. Fixing your Google certified Android TV box doesn't have to be daunting. By following these steps, restarting your device, checking your internet connection, clearing cache and data, updating software, reinstalling problematic apps, and if necessary, performing a factory reset, you'll solve most issues efficiently. Remember, always prioritize software updates to keep your device running smoothly. By maintaining your device well, you ensure a seamless streaming experience. Don't let minor hiccups ruin your entertainment. With these tips, your Google certified Android TV box should be back in action, delivering endless hours of entertainment. Enjoy your streaming.